Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1972 Plymouth Duster. Beautiful body and paint, clean underside, nice interior, hood scoops on the hood as you can see that. 340 on the decal on the side of the car, rear spoiler, dual exhaust, nice chrome, straight body, quarters appear to be original on the car. Just a really, really nice, slick car. Engine compartment is very, very clean. As you can see, the split bench there, very, very clean. Yeah, baby. Check out the photos, MGMClassicCars.com. If you guys need financing, it's not a problem. We can do so. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need about 10% down. And you can fill out the credit application at MGMClassicCars.com. If your credit score is 740 and higher than that, no money down options are available, and you can go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. Thanks for watching. If you guys need delivery, text me your zip code. I'll get you a quote. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Once again, my phone number is 847-848-1850. I can get you a delivery quote. Thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.